Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way where you can find how you can add a new page in Wix editor. So what you want to do is just be here in Wix, and now just click here on pages, and then you're gonna see side menu, and you just want to simply add a page. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see like the new page here, and you just want to name it like whatever, right? Or like just edit the name. And then when you're gonna click on the settings, you can simply change the layouts here, the permissions for password. Then you got the SEO Google that you can change the URL here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.